What's up everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to fix there was a problem resetting your PC error on Windows. So this one is annoying, but usually it's actually easy to sort out. So the first thing to try is simply to use the built-in repair tools. So simply open your settings, then go to System, then Recovery, then click Advanced Startup. From there, you then have to click Restart. So when the blue menu appears, simply go to Troubleshoot, then Startup Repair, then let Windows scan for issues. So if the reset still fails, the system might actually be damaged. So try opening your command prompt as an administrator and run the prompt that I'm going to show on screen. So when that finishes, you then have to run this one as well. So these commands will then repair your corrupted files that often block the reset. So if it still continues giving the same problem, you can also try resetting from your Windows recovery environment instead of inside Windows. So simply restart your PC by holding Shift while clicking the restart button at the same time. Then go to Troubleshoot, then reset this PC. And finally choose your reset option from there. Now, as a last option, you can also try creating a Windows 11 installation USB, then try booting from it and choose Repair Your PC, then Reset. So that usually works when everything else fails. So after that, the reset should finally run without the error. So that's all we had for this video. I really hope one of these tips worked, and if they do, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.